This is a brand new global property investor community and education platform for anyone who wants to build wealth through property without wasting years on guesswork. Everyone's talking about making money in property right now, but most people never start. There's no clear path. You're told you need money or no money, that you need to go big or start small. So who do you trust? Well, I'm Adam Slee and I'm the host of Property.School. Property.School is powered by Progressive Property, the UK's leading property education company. With 20 years experience, thousands of investors trained, and hundreds of millions raised in joint venture finance, we know what works. And now we've brought it into one affordable monthly membership. Maybe you're brand new to the property world and you want your first buy to let, or you've done a few deals and you want to scale with confidence. Or maybe you're just sick of watching from the sidelines while others build their portfolios. Property.School is where serious property people come to learn, connect, and grow. When you join Property.School, you'll get instant access to hundreds of hours of courses, masterclasses, and resources, new content, resources, and recordings every week, private WhatsApp communities, VIP opportunities only available to Property.School members, exclusive behind-the-scenes content from Progressive Property, regular online sessions and deep dives, property business blueprints, checklists, and more. And you can cancel anytime. No contracts. You'll also get access to the brand new Property 101 Masterclass, which is perfect for a refresher or if you're fresh into property. And the 7-module exclusive Social Media for Property Investors Masterclass series, which alone is worth over £700. Property.School isn't a course or a weekend bootcamp. It's less than the cost of a takeaway and you can cancel anytime. No contracts, no nonsense, just results. If you've ever said, I just want someone to show me the steps, this is it. Click the button and join Property.School today and let's build your property portfolio one smart move at a time. Remember, invest for freedom, choice, and profit.